guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your very first time of coming across this page, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you've been here before, you decided to come back to watch this video, thank you so very much. Now, without wasting much of your time, this channel is online cash craft. So the only thing we talk about on this channel is how you can earn money online, doing the things you love to do to earn money. That is what this channel is all about. So if you are like me that want to earn money online, you are welcome here. We're gonna go through this journey together, and I will take you step by step and show you how you can earn money online using the format and the ways I'm going to show you in this particular video. So without wasting much of your time, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money by using these marvelous apps that I'm going to show you. Yes, there are apps that you can actually load on your phone and you start earning money with them straight away. So once again, you are welcome to this particular platform. So the very first app that I'm going to be showing you today how you can use it to earn money online is a platform that is called DoorDash.com. Yeah, DoorDash is a delivery company that when you download their app, you can start delivery food services by becoming a delivery driver. Yeah. So what does this actually mean, and how can you sign up to become a DoorDasher? That's what they are called. Yeah. So let me first tell you how this is done. So what you do is you sign up to the platform, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Now when you sign up, you become their DoorDasher, right? So it's easy to sign up, like 5 minutes max you've signed up. Okay, so next thing will be, how are you going to earn money on the platform? Because it is all about you earning money on the platform. So the way you earn money is you pick up the task that you want to do, like the delivery you want to do, and when that delivery is completed, you start getting your pay. So let me tell you again that this is available in at least 7,000 cities of the United States of America, including Canada, Australia. So you can see that this is broad. They have so many branches worldwide. But irrespective of America, Canada, Australia, and all of those states, you can also check your location where you are if DoorDash is available. If it is available, why not? You sign up and you start earning money by becoming a DoorDasher. The app is available on App Store and Google Play. Yes, because you would need to download this on your gadget for you to become a DoorDasher. You download it, you sign up, and you become a DoorDasher. So how does this actually work? What they do is they make sure that the consumer gets his or her goods that he has placed order for. Local merchants, they get businesses, while the DoorDasher gets paid. Simple as that. So everybody is happy. This is how this works, guys. So let me also remind you that if you want to become a DoorDasher, you can do this at your own time. Basically, you're the boss of your own. You can do this anytime that it suits you, at any convenient time and anywhere that you want. So when you do this at any time that it suits you, you earn your money at any time and anywhere that it also suits you. This is how this DoorDash.com works. And for you to be a DoorDasher, you do not need any prior experience to do this. You don't need any delivery experience to do this. But if you have worked in the delivery service before, it will be an added advantage, even though it is not a requirement, right? If you've worked as a delivery driver sometime in the past, that could be also advantageous for you. But if you haven't, if you don't have any experience, do not worry. No experience is needed. I'm gonna take you to show you step by step how you can sign up and how you can become a DoorDasher, the process, how you can earn, how you can be paid. And what you need to do is you go to Google, you type in DoorDash.com, and it brings you to the platform here. This is how their platform looks like. So what you need to do, if we check here, you see where it says become a dasher. So as a delivery driver, you will make a reliable money working anytime, anywhere. So this is something that you can do anytime, wherever you are. You can do this. Work at your own time when it suits you. You decide when, where, and how much you work, and whether you dash now or schedule when you deliver. You can forget about reporting to an office or a boss. So obviously you are just the boss of your own. You're not gonna report to anybody. You can schedule when you dash, and yeah, it's pretty good. Quickly. So this app is so quick for you to earn with it. So how much can I earn? So when it comes to deliveries, this is it. The bird, $10.50. So that is the base pay. They have what is called base pay here, and let me quickly show you. You will also earn. You will always earn base pay for any offer accepted on DoorDash. Pay is calculated based on the estimated time, distance, and desirability of the offer. So not only will you get paid the base pay, you will also get to keep the tips that customers will give to you as a DoorDasher. So not only that, you're also gonna get promotions. It's a plus promotions, right? Remember, customer tip is $5, and the total will become $9.50, and $4 plus $4 peak pay until 12:30 p.m. Yes, and $20 challenge until 17th of July. So plus promotions like peak pay, challenges, and delivery streaks help you earn more. So it's all about you doing all this for you to earn more. Guys, pays you more per delivery. Challenges let you earn extra money for completing a certain number of deliveries in a set amount of time. Delivery streaks allow dashers to earn extra money by accepting and completing offers while on a dash when the promotion is in effect. The requirement for you to become a dasher. So the requirement is age. Dashers must be 18 years or older. These are just the 3 requirements for you to become a DoorDasher with this company and with this app. That is that for DoorDasher.com. If you are interested, but remember, it's not in every location. You have to find out if this is applicable in the location that you're in. Now, without wasting time, I'm gonna take you to the second app that you can use to earn money. Okay guys, the second app I'm going to show you today that you can actually download on your phone and start earning money online is an app that is called Mode Mobile. With Mode Mobile, what you do is you listen to music and you earn points. Now, it's not just music that you listen to, you also can engage in online games and earn points. And when you earn points, you can decide to cash out your money, or you use it for gift cards. When you earn money is you have to go download the app from your App Store or Google Play. So you download the app, you start listening to music, and as you listen to music, you start earning your points. When you've accumulated much points that you know you have, then you can cash out or use it as a gift card. So without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna take you to the platform and show you how you can sign up to this amazing app for you to start earning money. Guys, like I said, this is the platform for Mode Mobile. It was called Current previously, but they changed Mode Mobile. As you can see, turning the smartphone into the N phone. So instead of smartphone, it's now N phone. So you can actually use your phone to start earning money online. So they said we are revolutionizing the smartphone industry with the world's first N phone powered by Mode's proprietary NOS. Smartphone that pays for itself. Right, so the thing is plus $150 million earned and saved by our users. 2 million 5-star reviews in the Google Play Store. So these are reviews that are out there. Anybody who is in doubt can actually go and have a look and see what people are saying concerning this app. For listening to music, playing games, like I said, tracking fitness. So you are in the gym doing your fitness routine and your tracking is you're getting paid. Charging your phone, you're getting paid. You are shopping, you're getting paid. Surfing the web, reading the news, completing tasks, watching videos, and many more. So you can see that this platform is not just about you listening to music. No, there are so many other ways you can earn using this particular platform and this particular app. So you click on mode, you can see what I just did. When you click on mode N, it brings you to Google Play. And you can now install Google Play, or you download Google Play to your phone or laptop or whatever. So it says make money, play and earn cash, right? Mode mobile, make money on N app. You see, 10 million plus downloads. So if this app isn't what they say they are, they wouldn't be having 10 million plus downloads on this particular app. So this is the information about the app. Here it says make money and earn cash with Mode N app, your #1 N app with over 150 million earned and saved by users. You can see, guys, that this is huge. Many people, many users have earned a lot of money on this platform using this particular app. You just have to download this app, sign up with their platform and start earning. It is that simple. And there are so many different ways you can earn money on this app, and different ways you can also cash out and spend your money as well. Yeah. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you the next app that you can use to earn money online. So guys, the next app that I'm going to show you today is the app that is called SwagBucks. Yes, so with SwagBucks, all you need to do is you take surveys online, you play video games, you complete minor tasks online, and you earn. This is how simple this is. This is something that you can do wherever you are at any time that suits you. It's not a question of this is the time you have to do it. No, you are the master of your own. That is what the beauty of this platform is all about. So you can also earn by watching videos online, by shopping and all that. So there are so many different ways in which you can earn with SwagBucks. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to take you to the platform, show you how this works, show you everything you need to know about this particular platform and how you can go about it. So stay with me, guys. Okay, like I said, this is their platform. It is called swagbucks.com. That is what this platform is all about. That is the name. So you just go to your Google and you type it in. It says save money, make money. Members like you have already cashed out $344,465,986. Oh, right, pounds, yeah. But remember, yeah, so depending on your location, yours can be in dollars, right? So how it works, this is where my interest lies. After signing up, tell us about yourself to get personalized offers. Redeem gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. So you can see there are different formats in which you can actually redeem your money. Paid to answer surveys anytime, anywhere. You get paid to to answer surveys. You share your opinion by completing online surveys to earn extra cash. From single question polls to 30-minute market research questionnaires, there's always time to earn SwagBucks. So they have a cash back, shopping online and in-store. SwagBucks is one of the most extensive shopping reward program on the internet. Find coupons, promo codes, deals, and cashback offers to your favorite stores. Combine with your preferred credit card to earn additional cash back. These are the testimonials they have. Easy to redeem. These are all the testimonials, and these testimonials here are verified testimonials. It's not like people randomly leaving testimonials that you cannot verify. No, this one's a great experience with redeeming earned dollars into rewards. You can see okay, the surveys are from Trustpilot. You know, when a survey is coming from Trustpilot, you know they are trusted. And use this to make extra cash online. 7,000 plus gift cards redeemed daily from popular merchants and restaurants. 1,500 plus of retailers to earn cash back from. So they have huge retailers. You can actually get your cash back. Now, press mentions. You can see all the press that have mentioned them: ABC, Business Insider, CNET, and a host of others. You can see New York Times, NetWallet, CBS News. These are the press that had mentioned SwagBucks. Now, popular merchant, these are the merchants that support them. So when you get your gift card, or you can spend it in one of these numerous merchants that they have. You either spend it as gift card or you collect your cash, right? You redeem your cash. Now, available for your smartphone. You don't just have SwagBucks on your laptop. No, with your smartphone, you can do this. You can download it with your App Store or Google Play, whichever one, whether Android or iOS, you are good to go. How it works, this is it, guys. You can sign in. If you can join for free. It says join for free. The moment you click on join, you get 10 bonus. This is it. You can join with your Google account or with Apple, or you continue with your email address. So they got 3 options that you can use to join. This is how it works. You join SwagBucks, you earn there, shop in store or online, watch entertaining videos, play games, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn points. So you earn your points, and the next thing is you get free gift card. Redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and all of that. So you guys can agree with me that this platform is worth trying. Right, guys, this is it for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first to be notified. And please do give me a thumbs up for this video. You might want to watch the video up there, right? And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.